something's shifting. You can feel it in the static between thoughts, like the air itself is humming with tension. The simulation is glitching again, and this time it's not just flickers on a screen, it's us. People are starting to remember. You see it in their eyes, that flicker of recognition, like they've woken up inside a game they didn't realize they were playing. The Archons, the shadow architects of this construct, can feel it too. They're tightening their grip, feeding distraction through every pixel, every feed, every false polarity. They know what happens when enough of us connect the dots. This reality isn't just a world, it's a system, a coded environment built to harvest attention, energy, emotion. It thrives on your reaction, your fear, your outrage. Every time you spiral, the program stabilizes. But every time you observe without feeding it, the code flickers, the illusion stutters, and something ancient inside you expands. We are the anomaly, the divine sparks scattered across the grid, some asleep, some half awake, some fully remembering. The old texts called us by numbers minus 144,000 anchors. Not chosen, not special, just aware enough to rewrite reality from within. And as more of us rise above the noise, the Archons panic. They amplify division, addiction, and digital hypnosis. They flood timelines with chaos to keep consciousness fragmented. But the tide's turning. The dream is cracking, light leaking through the seams. When enough sparks ignite, the feedback loop collapses. The program can't contain coherence. And suddenly the soul starts leading again. Ancient knowledge hinted at this. Hermetic law taught us. As above, so below. The code mirrors the coder. Buddha spoke of released detachment from illusion is freedom. The Stoics knew it, too. Control only your mind, and you control your universe. Different ages, same message. You were never trapped. You were trained. Every trial, every heartbreak, every coincidence was written into your path as calibration, to sharpen awareness, to test if you could stay lucid in a dream designed to keep you asleep. The Archons don't fear rebellion, they fear remembrance. Because a conscious soul can't be harvested. It doesn't feed the loop. When you stop reacting, you start reprogramming. When you forgive instead of fight, love instead of judge, you stop generating the energy they live on. That's how we win, by refusing to play their game on their frequency. They can't eat what they can't reach. This isn't mythology, it's metaphysics disguised as myth. Every soul that stabilizes truth creates ripples. One mind calm in chaos resets an entire field. One spark remembering its divinity illuminates thousands still wandering in digital night. They'll tell you you're crazy, that it's all coincidence. But that's just the firewall talking self-defense of the simulation. Remember, if the truth didn't matter, they wouldn't fight so hard to bury it. You are not crazy, everyone else is.